进这里有。
Ikutkan saya memang rasa memang sangat tercabarlah sebab pemain ikutkan memang orang kata kita memang saya rasa saya boleh menang tapi saya minta maaf lah sebab kita tak bernasib baik untuk menang kali ini. Apa pun saya nak ucap terima kasih lah kepada semua yang menyokong saya. Okey coach, advice saya mesti sabar, hati-hati, jangan terlalu gopoh, yakin pada diri sendiri. Tapi kita tengok depend pada situasi dan masa. Tapi untuk ni kita tak nasib baik lah untuk saya.
Bagus.
Memang saya rasa peringkat dari Olimpik di Jepun ni memang kualitinya memang sangat tinggi lah para pemainnya. Cuma sekarang untuk sendiri dari segi pertandingan saya rasa memang kita ambil as pengajaran. So mungkin in future ada lagi yang perlawanan, saya akan buat yang terbaik lah.
Kanadaドゥ・シャオロン選手、中華人民共和国の試合を行います。
Cantik lah.
Okey, baik. Tadi kalau nak ikutkan masa putingan pertama memang mengecewakan lah. Tapi saya apabila coach beritahu macam mana taktikal untuk pusingan kedua, don't pressure, but I sustain myself to calm, always be calm, and I make what we call control the game, and I do for the collect the point in the second game. But what happened is I can manage, but it's okay. This is my experience to further tournament.
So Arvinda actually changed his game a lot. Previously, he's a very, very fast player, but he don't think. He just move. But then for today, I think he really managed to perform his game. He get to do what he have trained, and then I think that everyone see his improvement from the the World Championship, the previous Asia Pacific Games. I think he have changed a lot. He have improved a lot. I think I'm happy for him. So for group stage, I think it's very important that they need to maintain their fitness. They need to maintain their focus, because this is only the day one. We still have doubles and mixed doubles coming up next. The lesson that they learn is they are only 18 and 19 years old. We still have another Olympics for them. But then I want them to gain as much. Main important thing is I want them to play their what they have trained to perform on court. I don't want them to be like cold fit on court. Arvinda used to be cold fit on court. So I'm very, very happy that he managed to play his game.
Thank you, Coach.
Thank you.